back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. I decided to join a collab hosted by BobbyCatsKitten. She asked us to do a DIY or show us something that we made in the past. So I decided to do 2 hula hoop and balloon centerpieces. I'm doing a wedding, and I'm not an event planner, but I do love to teach people how to do DIYs. So I decided to do this collab with Bobby, and I would like to thank you so much, BobbyCatsKitten, for giving me this opportunity to join your collab. And remember, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Alright guys,
this is the same hula hoop that I used for the 4th of July. I just took off the red and the white sequence trim. Now here's a clip of the 4th of July one. You have to check out that video as well. But all I'm doing is wrapping the sequence trim around the hula hoop. It's very simple. Just keep on wrapping till you get to the top. Alright guys, we are done wrapping the sequence trim around the hula hoop. Now we're about to blow up the balloons. I do have a balloon pump, and I tied 2 balloons together. But guys, if you don't have a balloon pump, you can always use the hand one. And now we're about to tie the balloons around the hula hoop. Alright guys, all you have to do is take 2 balloons and just wrap it around the hula hoop. I stretch them a little bit, and all I do is keep wrapping and keep wrapping and wrapping all the way to the top part. And now guys, we're about to put some flowers on the bottom part, you know where the green foam is. I just bought some flowers that you can stick on from Amazon. The flowers are gorgeous. I'll just take a little bit of glue and then stick it onto the foam, the styrofoam. And that's it. And guys, this is where I'm putting the hula hoop centerpiece in the entryway. What did you think, guys? Isn't it gorgeous? And it didn't cost me much at all. This is my second DIY. I just wanted to show you guys how I drilled a hole in the side of the wood. I found this wood in the basement, so I didn't have to pay for this at all. I had the hula hoop in the backyard for years, so I didn't have to pay for that as well. Only thing I really paid for was the balloons. Everything else I pretty much already had. And as the video goes a little longer, you can see the different things that I used. So this is some fabric that I had left over from a cat suit that I made, which I didn't have to pay for it. So, and yes guys, that is aluminum foil. Nobody is going to see underneath of this piece of wood. So this is the best way to save some money, because the fabric is going right on top of it. Just glue that bad boy down and you are good to go. I also put a piece of foil on the bottom just to make it look a little neater, but you don't have to do that because nobody's going to see the bottom of this cake stand centerpiece. So guys, just keep on watching and hopefully you will learn some ideas and save some money, because that foil, I mean, it looks just like as if it was a mirror underneath. I am finished wrapping the piece of wood, and all I'm doing right here is sticking the hula hoop into the holes and gluing it down. I decided to put some bling wrap around the trim of the bottom of the hula hoop centerpiece. And also, guys, I put a little bow up top and a chandelier. All we have to do now is put the balloons on it, then we will be done. We're doing the same thing as we did with the first project. Just wrapping the balloons all the way around the hula hoop. We are now done with this centerpiece cake stand. And guys, this thing is huge. This will really look gorgeous in the middle of a table with the cake in the middle. I am so glad I learned how to do balloons. It saved you a lot of money. You wouldn't believe how much money I saved. I found a hula hoop in the backyard. Only mainly thing I paid for was the lights and the balloons. I just wanted you to see this cake stand with an idea like as if you had a cake inside of the cake holder. And yes, that is another DIY. I just wanted you guys to see the cake stand in a different area so you get the full effect. Isn't it gorgeous? Everything is blinging, the lights is shining. Could you imagine this on one of your tables for a wedding? It will be for a wedding, but this is one of the first time I've done this, and I think it came out pretty good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned something. And I would like to thank BobbyCatsKitten for helping out us new YouTubers. We truly appreciate it, because we need all the subscribers that we can get. And remember, guys, hugs and kisses. Mwah.
Once again.